Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update about Sandbox, the sand ticker. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And put your favorite altcoin in the comment box below and I'll try to analyze that for you. Alright, let's start this by looking at the daily chart without any lines and indicators. As you can see, we are trading in this area of around $4.60 level, and today it kind of broken out the yesterday low, which is kind of a bearish sentiment in the Sandbox as well as on the other altcoins. Let me enable the lines and see what we were looking for. If I go to the 4-hour chart to see it more clearly, then as you guys know that I was watching this level of around $4.80 level very closely, and yesterday price went up all the way till the $5.10 level, and I was watching this and I was hoping that price close above this box, but unfortunately it didn't, and right now it is following the downward trajectory for the time being, and it might retrace all the way back to this lows as discussed in our yesterday video. And if the momentum still continues to go to downside, then we might see this $3.70 level as well as this $3.20 level as well. But let me first give you some perspective of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin stands with this. So if I go to the Bitcoin daily chart, let me do it for you. Then the Bitcoin daily chart is not looking good for me. As you can see, we are trading below this neckline of head and shoulder. As you can see, this is the neckline of head and shoulder, and this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder of the head and shoulder reversal pattern. So right now we are not moving in any direction, and although we have hit the support area, but we haven't seen the bullish bounce that we used to see. If this level was very important, then we would have seen a nice bullish candle, but we are not seeing that yet. So that's a concerning sign for a Bitcoin, and having that in mind. But if I go to the weekly chart, then we have seen the bullish candle close in the weekly. So this is a conflicting signals that is happening right now on the Bitcoin chart. So there is a element of uncertainty in the market right now. So having in mind, I think the 70% chance of this market is to break down, and there is still a 30% chance of the Bitcoin to go up from here. But I'll keep a close eye on this, and I'll reassess my bias on the daily basis based on the candlestick formation here. So it's not set in stone that 70% chance of going down. I will change the bias as I will see the candlestick formation in a different way. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest bias of my analysis. Alright, so having that in mind, so far price action is looking bearish to me, and as well as on the Sandbox, things are not looking good for the time being. As I said, this level of around $3.70 level is very critical for the Sandbox to hold, and we might see a bounce up from here. But again, if we see a bounce up from here, then we might see a resistance from there, and then we might see a lower low again here to back to those levels at around 3.2 and then $2.30 level if we see a crash in the Bitcoin. If we don't see a crash in the Bitcoin, then we will see a rally in this Sandbox as well. If we see a rally in the Bitcoin, then we will see a price closing above $5.70 at least in the Sandbox, and that will make a higher high on this time frame, and that will really shift the trend in the Sandbox as well to make a higher highs in this coin. So we'll wait and see what happens here. Right now there is an uncertainty in the market, and the chances are that price will break down lower. Alright, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of Sandbox, and if you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.